Blessed day, everyone. Welcome to Pinoy Lakas Radio Streaming. Here in my teasing your taste bud. Via Casa de Gilquison. Guys, I'm making a special dinner for Dr. D. Ito na guys, oh. Yung ating, kanina, yung ating pasta, special pasta. Nilagyan natin ngayon ng mga veggies. Ito ang ginagawa natin guys na saving your penny for a rainy day. Hindi tayo nagtatapon ng mga leftover, kundi ay nire-recycle natin sa mas masarap na pamamaraan. Ayan guys, nakita nyo? Okay, may ham, may bacon, celery, onions, pasta, at potato. Mas masarap yan kasi kanina yung ating ginawa walang gulay. Ito may gulay na siya. Okay, pampadagdag at pangpalasa at mas nakakaginhawa at nakakawala ng sawa dahil sa gulay. Guys, talaga napakasarap niya. Aayusin natin ito mamaya. Papakainin natin si Doc. Susupresahin natin siya uli. Oh my God. It's really good, guys. Really, really good. Ayan, tapos na tayo. Let's go and eat. Always remember, be human, be kind, be humble all the time. Bagyo forever. Happy Three Kings. God bless. I love you all. Okay, guys. Doc is already here. He just came back from work. So, ayan na yung kanyang special dinner. Tingnan na natin yung moment of truth ng ano niya. Oo. Naglaro yung mga dalawang pusa. Nakakagulat. O, sige, Doc. Ayan yung ating recycle pasta. Nilagyan natin. We add some vegetable on it. So, did you notice what is that, Ni?
It's a little bit of the last like 3 or 4 meals we've eaten, right?
Did you hear that, guys? Three session na to. 3 cans of menu na itong nagawa natin. 3 recipe na.
It's like a hash of
I love the potato on it, no?
yeah, potatoes, bacon, celery, peppers,
There's a ham on it.
ham,
Yeah, I like that. I think that
pasta.
I don't really eat potato, but when I put the potato, I think I start liking the potato now.
Yeah, those potatoes we've been getting are really good.
Mm-hmm.
With the
Okay, so say happy Three Kings na again before we say goodbye for tonight.
yeah, 3 Kings is almost over.
Mm-hmm. I love you guys. Always remember, be human, be kind, be humble all the time. Here, Bubbles, say bye-bye now. Bubbles! Mahal ni Doc yung mga poor babies namin eh. Next time, we're gonna show you the two dogs, ha, Doc?
Yeah.
Love you guys. Bagyo forever. God bless.